So who designed the national flag? Theodore Soko.
You say what?
Is it? Theodore Soko. I'll say that. Theodore Soko.
Yourself the season, man. Tell me about the season, man.
So Magnus, I'm here with.
My Reciting.
You say what?
I promise of my honor to prepare.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
A cause of freedom and a flag.
You say what?
Flag.
Yourself the season, man. Tell me about the season, man.
The cause of freedom and of rights.
You say what?
Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
So Magnus, I'm here with.
My Reciting.
You say what?
Please, can you tell us when Ghana gained independence?
It's March 1957.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. Can you recite the national anthem of the pledge for us? Okay.
I promise of my honor to prepare.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I promise to know the highest. I promise to.
Yeah, I'm counting.
So when did Ghana gain independence?
6th March 1957.
Can you sing the national anthem for us?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, both to defend forever a cause of freedom and a flag.
You say what?
Flag.
Yourself the season, man. Tell me about the season, man.
Fill our hearts with true you, make us share fearless honesty, and help us to resist the praises for love am I forevermore.
All right. Thank you very much, bro.
My friend, why are you asking me a simple question like that? But do it again to asking me a question like that.
Lois and Cherry.
So when did Ghana gain independence?
Ask her first. 6th March 1957.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Okay. So first of all,
Now the song we only forget on the 6th of March 1957. Yeah.
so recite the national pledge.
I thought we were doing it together.
Together under this word.
You want to do it together?
Yes.
Okay. So
Put your hand. I don't do it. Let's share the mic.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Okay. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to send me some Ghana. With all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and soul of our fathers. And then I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me, God.
Yeah, sure. Use your head, my friend.
they cheated nature. So please mention your name.
Khadija.
Oh my God! Wow!
Please, when did Ghana gain independence?
6th of March 1957.
So can you recite the national pledge for us, please?
Okay.
No, I don't know if I'm going through a lot or a lot is going through me. All I know, a lot is going on.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and soil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God.
Thank you very much.
This girl is on fire.
So I'm Magnus and you are.
Angina.
All right. So today I come to ask a simple question, right? When did Ghana gain independence?
6th March 1957.
Actually, it's on 1957.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Very sure.
Are you sure? Sure.
Sure.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Look at this, man.
All right. So we are going to the next question, right? The national anthem. Can you sing it?
I'll try.
All right.
Why are you in a hurry?
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong,
Stop laughing, man. Why you, man? No, what's funny?
both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of rights. Man of rights, feel our heart we true humility, make us cherish fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressors through with all our will and might forevermore.
Wow, that's nice. Do you have any social media handle that we can add for them to follow you back?
Yeah, my snap handle. Nada pause bite.
Spell it.
Nada NADA, then the pause bite PULSEBITE.
Clock it.
I saw plantain chips, sobolo, and then pineapple juice. So you all should patronize me. Legon Campus, Ivandi Hostel.
So who designed the national flag? Theodore Zoko. Is it? Theodore Zoko. I say that. Theodore Zoko. Alright, we move on. What are the colors on the national flag?
Red, yellow, green, black.
You. Red, gold, green, black. So you see the differences here? You said gold. She said yellow. So let's start with you. What does the red represent?
The red represents the bloodshed, yellow, the minerals, green, vegetation, black, the hope and color of the people.
Okay. So you said yellow. Alright, the audience will decide for us. But you said gold. So let's start with you. Yeah. What does the red represent to the gold, to the green, and the black? Red is the blood our forefathers shed to gain independence.
How are you, man? Now, what's funny?
Gold is the minerals. You see Ghana gold coast, so yeah. And then green is the vegetation. And then black is there's the black star crown. What does it mean?
You guys do it.
The black star, is that a color or unit? Yeah, unity. Yeah, unity. Yeah. All right. Thanks for having you guys. Okay, do you have any social media handles they can reach out to you? Maybe Snap here, KDA_Mano, KDA_Mano. And you?
Snap,
Okay.
DHA_NIE12.
All right. Thanks.